Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Minecraft. I just built this house. Me and my sister, well, that's my sister's house. She hasn't finished. We'll be going to survival soon. We just decided to go to survival. This is my bottom part of the house. It's not that good. Oh, it's still there. Whoops. Um, this is my huge table, and then if you go up pieces, or you can go up that thing. Sure. Oh yeah, I need a lot of books. I got a lot of books. Oh, then this is one book. That's my town. Oh, whoops. Hi, my name is Brooke. This is just the beginning of my town. The name is Blacktown. It is a family town that has a lot of animals. I hope you like my town. Buy books. Oh, I shouldn't have showed that last thing, but that's okay. Oh, well, what just got destroyed? So I don't really like to cheat on Minecraft. It's just there's really nothing to do. So who likes the new pandas? They're okay. They're annoying. They're not that cute. Let me get a dog or a cat. Let me move. I'll take spawn, cat spawn. I have no idea what that says. Take one out. Run. Oh, dog. Run. Available. Oh, well, I don't want money. Now go for a fish if I escape. Cheap fish. Regular fish. Guess we're going to tropical fish, and I need bone. O-N-E. I think we got everything. No, don't! Get out of my own door this quick. Like, who am I saying something? Probably should spawn it upstairs. Absolutely. You know, kind of. Please leave in the comments, like, because I'm super sure. Is it cooked? You guys, do they eat cooked? No. Where did my cat go? Baby. Shakespeare outside. Hey, baby. Nope. Again. Cooked food. Raw food. But we have a cat and a dog. I'll get another cat. Dog, not so much. I need to find the books. I'm like, I can't see this. Oh, I can't vote. Almost all the other things. See? When you little family of cats. The have good. The cats. Oh, come on, puppy dog. Can you eat this? Could you? Yes. Could you eat this? Oh, maybe. Oh, maybe. Come on. Get back here. Oh, that was really weird. So I'm gonna pause it quick because I can't guys see. Guys, I finished the second book. Hi. I have two big cats and one kitten. I have a I forgot the G. A dog. I have a dog. It is raining. The town is okay. It's really I'm really bored. The dog's name is Dog, and the mom cat is named Mug, and the dad cat is named Daddy, and the kitten is named Kitty. So bye, your excellence. You guys have an amazing day. Bye. It's raining outside. I can fly. The wind has never held me back before. Oof. It's dark. Copy? My sisters copied me. Copy. Copy. You better not want to get out there. Whoa, time for to be okay, well, hope you have fun. Goodbye. Alright, well, guys, this is getting really boring, so I think I might just see you guys in the next episode. I'm not sure. Not sure what I want to do. But it's been nice to see that. See, nice path. I want you one more time in my house. Say hello to dog, to Mo, to Daddy, to Kitty. Guys, goodbye, guys. Goodbye, animals. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. You guys want to see me go up that one? Well, if you guys haven't seen what pandas look like, you should go see, or leave me in the comments if you want me to see. If you want to see what one looks like. What happened here? What? Where's the hole? I don't want you guys see me making those. Alright, well, goodbye, guys. Hope we see you in the next episode. And see you later. Bye, bye, bye.